So I got it tore down pretty good. I got the pistons out, the valve cover off, valve train, the head. I gotta clean the surface. Waiting on a sleeve remover tool because we ordered new sleeves, new pistons, new valves. So it'll get pretty much a complete rebuild. It had 40 pounds of pressure on the compression test, so it was ready for one. But last year I repainted it, and it looks pretty good. I got a video, you can watch it if you want to see me repaint it. But hopefully we can get more pressure coming out, or compression coming off of it, because I mean, it had pretty good power, just really hard cranking. So hopefully once that gets fixed, rebuilt, the compression will be better. But here's the pistons. This one looks pretty good. The rest of them seen better days. So I'm wondering if this one might have been replaced at one point and these three didn't get replaced. I don't know. I got everything labeled right here. Like, these are the head bolts. There's the push rods. This is the rocker assembly bolts. So yeah, I guess we'll wait on the parts to come in.
If I could take you up in boom boom bosh, boom boom, tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. And I ding dong, when you come true. And I ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hoping we meet again. Oh, life, and I ding dong, a-lang, a-lang, boom, ba-do, 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 ba-do. And I ding dong, a-lang, a-lang, boom, ba-do.
Alright, so we got all the sleeves out now, so everything's took apart. Now we got the cylinders over there, the new cylinders, so we're gonna be putting the new sleeves back into it. It wasn't too hard to get these out. We ordered this tool right here off the internet, and they came out pretty easily. This is what they look like. They're not too bad, but I don't really know nothing about it. It's my first time ever messing with them. Yeah, I guess they're pretty rough. I can see the scoring on them. But we got new pistons, new gaskets, new sleeves, all that over there. This whole top end, bottom end part. And then we got valve trains and valves and stuff coming. So.
If I could take you up in boom boom bosh, boom boom, tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream, shaboom, and I ding dong, when you come true. And I ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so fine. Oh, life ain't a ding dong. If I could take you up in boom boom bosh, boom boom, tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. And a ding dong, when you come true. And a ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream, and a ding dong, when you come true. And a ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
So I got all the pistons back in. They went in way easier than I thought they would. And then I got the oil pan back on, oil pan gasket. I'm waiting on valves to come. So whenever they get here, I can start working on the top part of it. But everything looks pretty good. And then once you get the valves in and put the valves in, cut the valves and seat the valves, put them in, and then bolt the head back down, and we'll start putting everything back together. So I got to put it back together for the most part now. I still got to put the hood on, but I got to button up a couple little other things. Like right here, the oil pressure gauge is leaking a little bit. I'm gonna have to tighten that up. There was some other things that I forget. Oh yeah, this hose clamp. This is leaking around the exhaust fuzz, and it's sliding back and hitting the generator. But it's 42 degrees outside, and it cranks pretty good now. Yeah. That was pretty much just barely tapped the starter and it fired. And like I said before, the reason we rebuilt it was because it wouldn't start. It ran perfectly fine, just the same way it does now. It didn't sound nowhere near as tight, but we'd have to pull it off every time. And I'm pretty sure because it wasn't getting enough compression to pull the gas and air through the combustion chamber of fire. But I mean, like I said, you just barely touch it now. Fired right up. So I need to button the hood up and do a couple of more things like the exhaust clamp, and you might be able to see, yeah, you can right there. It's leaking a little bit of oil, so I'm gonna have to fix that leak. But I reckon it's done now.